Hey guys, we received these Epson blue pens for test and try. 12 pieces pens with a fine point smooth writing pens with a retractable blue gel ink. It's a 0.7 mm pen and can be given as a gift to anyone for the office supplies. So as you can see, comes in a really nice box, and these are the pens. Remove the protective covering from the nib, and then let me see how this feels. So the first impression is when I touch the pen, like the grip size is really nice. That with this rubber grip, it's smooth and comfortable. And then I'm just writing and testing these with this blue. So blue ink is also very bright, very smooth in writing, and the flow there is no problem with the writing thing. I can still control all the curves and writing things. It's a retracting thing, so it's easy to retract, and then you can also refill whenever you want to and then use it. So it's pretty nice pens with a really good supplies with the spring and everything, all mechanism with the pressure and stuff.